My name is Nick Berry, and this is a short presentation about my CS50 final project, a multiplayer game called the Dinner Party Game. The concept is fairly simple. You imagine some guests around a dinner table. Each are playing a game where they have to submit an answer to the question, and the other guests have to take turns to guess who gave which answer. Once all the players have been guessed and only one person remains in the game, that player is the winner. I implemented this project using skills learnt during the CS50 course. The code is written in Python and Flask. The database to keep track of the gameplay is in SQL. The project is hosted on the web, and so the web pages are rendered in HTML using JavaScript, CSS, and Ginger. There are two database tables. One is to keep track of the bank of questions and to keep the questions fresh. And the other one is to keep track of the players. And this includes their name, their progress in the game, and whether they are in or out. This is the landing page. One player, typically the host, will start the game and send out invitations to the other players using WhatsApp. So the group will get the invitation, they will click on a link, and they will be taken to a page where they have to answer the question. All the guests provide their answers, and then the host starts the game. Now, each player at this point sees a slightly different screen. They will see the question, and the player who is guessing the answer will be offered a choice of the remaining guesses and answers. They'll make a choice. The other guest will just see that this other player is making a guess. Once the guess has been submitted, the users are told whether the guess is correct or wrong. When only one guest remains, they have won, all the other guests are out. They will see this page congratulating them. The main challenges I encountered during this project were to do with validation of user input, and also to make sure that all the web pages appeared in the right order and that they didn't crash because someone was trying to input something while someone else was trying to guess something. I resolved that using a timer and event listener functions in JavaScript on the HTML pages. The unresolved challenges are to do with how I can run this on a server outside the CS50 code space. I'm currently having some difficulty with that, to do with the database and the environment structures, I think. But I'm working on that and hope to overcome that soon. Thank you.